Two giants of email marketing, Constant Contact and Campaign Monitor, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Constant Contact, known for its user-friendly tools built for small businesses. And on the right, Campaign Monitor, praised for stunning design and smart analytics. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real story. Each category gets points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result, in 2025, might just surprise you.
So here's our roadmap for today. We're digging into pricing, ease of use, templates and design, standout features, analytics, and of course, support. This'll give you the full lay of the land so you're not just guessing. Jumping right in, pricing. First up is Constant Contact. They keep billing pretty transparent, which, let's be honest, is such a relief these days. And they actually offer nice discounts for nonprofits. The catch? Their starting prices are sort of higher than you'd expect compared to the rest of the market. Not outrageous, just, a bit steep if you're new. Now, Campaign Monitor. Right away, they win on affordability. Lower entry-level pricing, so if you're just dipping your toes in, this is great. Plus, pay-as-you-go is awesome if you don't want to commit. Even at higher volumes, their fees stay competitive. But heads up, there's no fully free plan. And if you need more users on your account, that's going to cost you. Overall, between the two, Campaign Monitor nudges ahead in the price game. Okay, moving on, ease of use. Constant Contact is like, wow, super beginner friendly. You get that drag and drop experience that feels almost too easy. Seriously, sometimes I wonder, am I actually building a real campaign here? The downside, if you're wanting next level customization, you kind of hit a wall. Then there's Campaign Monitor. Their builder is slick and pretty modern. You'll notice the flexibility in design, which is awesome if you like to tinker. That said, newbies might need an extra minute to figure stuff out. For overall user-friendliness, Constant Contact takes this round. Now, let's talk templates and design, which honestly can make or break your emails. So, Constant Contact, their template selection, pretty decent. And hey, you even get integrated stock images. But if you've seen what's out there lately, you might notice their designs aren't as fresh or modern as you'd hope. Now, Campaign Monitor? Their templates are stunning. Like, if you want your emails looking 2025 ready, this is the spot. They're responsive, super customizable, and genuinely look amazing. So yeah, this one goes to Campaign Monitor, hands down. And here's something cool before we wrap up this comparison. Did you know that the very first email ever sent was way back in 1971? That was like decades before either Constant Contact or Campaign Monitor even existed. Wild, right?
On to features. This is where things get juicy. Constant Contact throws in a built-in CRM, so tracking contacts is a breeze. They even do social media scheduling and let you sell digital products. Like, for an all-in-one vibe, it's pretty hard to beat. Only thing, if you crave advanced automation, you might find their triggers a bit basic. Now, Campaign Monitor. They go hard on analytics, deeper insights, A/B testing, segmentation, and personalization. So if you're all about data, they don't disappoint. But you won't find a real advanced CRM or a solid landing page builder here. So, who takes it? For being an all-in-one platform, Constant Contact edges out.
Analytics.
Because who doesn't want to know if their email actually did something, right? Constant Contact keeps it simple with basic reporting. It works, though you don't get that rich segmentation some other tools offer. Campaign Monitor, meanwhile, is pretty epic for analytics. You'll get detailed reports and those campaign insights that really let you obsess over every stat. Clearly, if you live for the numbers, Campaign Monitor's the analytics champ. Finally, support. And let's be real, we all need a little help now and then. Constant Contact shines here. Extensive live support. You get a whole help center and even webinars. Super hands-on, not much to complain about. Campaign Monitor offers tutorials and a helpful resource center, but their live support, limited hours. Might be a deal breaker if you're working nights or weekends. So for support, Constant Contact totally wins. All right, let's glance at the overall radar chart. A visual snapshot of how each platform scored across our categories. You'll see where Constant Contact dominates and where Campaign Monitor just rockets ahead, especially for pricing and designs. So, my honest take, if you're a small business or just getting started, Constant Contact feels almost tailor-made. It's super simple, has solid support, and packs in some surprise features. But if you're a designer at heart, or maybe an agency craving epic templates and hardcore analytics, honestly,
Campaign Monitor will make your emails shine. That's where it wins most. Looking for even more marketing tool shootouts? Keep it locked here because I've got another deep dive coming up soon. You don't want to miss it.